Today, we're going to show you how to install the Insta 360 X5 lens cover, which we've got right here. I recommend when you handle this, handle it from the edges like we are right there. And you can see there's a little notch on this side of the cover. That's going to be important because we've got two notches on the Insta X5 right here. There's one here and here. You kind of want to have this notch so it's aligned with that notch, which is about at like 4 p.m. And if you get any fingerprints or anything on this, you want to make sure it's nice and clean, as well as the inner lens, so you don't have any artifacts when you're recording video. So I'm going to align this notch with the notch here at about 4 p.m. And it seems like this is too big at first. That's going to be typical. You just kind of got to get it aligned perfectly. Okay, so there we are. That's our notch. It's at about 4 or 5 p.m. and it's slid on, and now we need to actually secure it. So once it's secured, it's gonna be, that notch is gonna be right at 6 p.m. All right, there we go. And now that is secured on there. And if you need to remove this, you're just going to take your fingers and you're gonna rotate again back to where you were at. And then you're gonna kind of like tilt and peel off, and you can see that lens comes off. So we're gonna do that again just one more time to show you. Kind of lay it on here until you get aligned right. Okay, now it's aligned. And we're gonna take this notch and we're gonna go clockwise until we get to the 6 p.m. position with that piece right there, and now it's secure. So that is how you install an Insta 360 X5 standard lens guard. Do recommend these things for recording so that your normal lenses are protected during activities. And one thing is you just want to make sure you clean these off good with a lens cloth before and after use, so you don't have any kind of dust or artifacts that are getting in the video. So thanks for watching this video on how to install your Insta 360 X5 standard lens guards. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.